Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline and this is Lowcarblish. If you're new here, this is the channel where we take our favorite high carb foods and make low carb versions of them to try and control our type 2 diabetes and lower our blood sugars. For all of my regular subscribers, it's good to see y'all again. I'm sorry I did not get a video out to you guys last week. I had to have some dental work done and I just couldn't do it. Anyway, it's time for another giveaway, and I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to have another food video out for you tomorrow or the next day. And Jenny's going to be out for about 3 or 4 more days. She's got some scheduling issues with her family, so she's going to be back on Wednesday, I think. So anyway, I'm going to try to get the other video filmed tomorrow that I've been working on the recipe, and I finally got it to where I like it. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get it up tomorrow, but if not, I'll definitely get it up by Tuesday. So one of the things I wanted to let you guys know is I'm going to have a little footage at the end of this video, and it's all Macie. Those of you that are new here, Macie's a rescue, and I'll leave a link down in the description to the video I made when she came into my life and what all things she had gone through. But the short version is Macie came to me and she had a lot of trauma, and so we've been working with a trainer for the last year, and she's been doing so good. She was terrified and reactive to people and dogs when she first got here, but this past week she had her first half day of doggy daycare and she did fantastic. So I got a little snippet when I went to pick her up that afternoon. So I'm going to put that at the end of this video, and also just some footage of her being her silly self. But I just wanted to let you guys know she's doing fantastic. And if you're interested in that, then it'll be after we talk about the giveaway. If you're not, you can skip over it. But anyway, this giveaway, we're doing a little something different. I usually pick some items and send them to you, you know, different flours and stuff like that. Flavorings or whatever, but this time I decided that I'm going to give away a $50 Amazon card, and because I know the holidays are coming up, and if you want to go to Amazon and spend this on things to work on your low carb cooking, that's fine. If you don't, you spend it on anything you want to. And I'm actually going to be picking 3 winners this time, and the first winner is going to get the Amazon $50 gift card plus one of Dennis's books. And then the other 2 winners are going to just win the book. And these books have all got a CD, DVD, I guess DVD, DVD in them, where Dennis is talking about you've just been diagnosed. So I've only got 2 on the table, but I've got another one I'm going to be giving away as well. And if you are new here, or you've been here for a while but you don't know Dennis, his name is Dennis Pollock, and he has a channel called Beat Diabetes, and I am not affiliated with his channel in any way, shape, or form, except that is where I found my answers when I first got diagnosed 3 years ago, and literally the information that he gave out saved my life. So I always have a link to his video at the bottom in the description of all of my videos, because I know when we first get diagnosed it can be terrifying. But the good news is it doesn't have to be. So if you are new here and you've just been diagnosed, just know that you have found your people and your community, and the people that are in this community are amazing, loving, giving, and supportive people. So if you are new here, we just welcome you with open arms, and we hope you keep coming back. But definitely go and check out Dennis's channel, because the amount of information that is there is beyond amazing. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a fabulous Sunday, and I'm going to go in here and get started editing this video for you guys, so it'll be up this afternoon. And like I say, if those of y'all that are interested in Miss Macie, she'll be after the little part here. So I hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys so much, and I'm glad to be getting back on track with things, and I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye. I'm finished with this video. Do you want to come in here and say hi? You want to come? Yes. Oh, you might be wanting... so a little treat might be something you're after? Is that what you're trying to tell me? The whole treat thing? Well, it just so happens It just so happens I have one. Come get it. Come on, get it. Good job. Good job. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Little girl, are you having fun? Huh? You had a good day at doggy daycare today? Ice.
Okay. I'm actually bringing her in while they're distracted.
I'm so glad she's doing so much better. You get it, baby. You tell it who's boss. I know it. You tell it who's boss, little girl. Macie, you are too funny.